Why we need a family organizer application in our mobile phones on day-to-day daily routine. So today I have brought a review about the Cozi Family Organizer application, and the downloadation link for this application is in the description below. It is not any sort of a shout out or any paid promotion, but this is an original review that I'm going to show you. So why do we need a family organizer application? So as you guys know that in our families, we usually don't know when is the family event. Usually, the parents are more familiar with the family events and all the stuff. So this application gives you a calendar where you guys can real time add an event, and everybody who are attached to that application will know that what's coming up next in the upcoming dates, and that way you guys can stay organized in the family events. So the other feature is shopping list. For example, you guys are in together in this application, and one of your family member wants to add a thing in the grocery list, so the other person can stay in touch and keep account of the all the items that you want to buy from the grocery shop. So this is the right choice for you to make a just a shopping list that everybody can add into, and you guys can not forget about the stuff. Usually, sometimes people go to the grocery store and they forget about the stuff they want to buy earlier, but then they forget at the point, and this can help you guys with that. So you guys can even make to-do lists, recipe, and meal planners. The one of the major problems in the households are what to cook today, and this app can fix that because this app can ask for the suggestion from everybody in the family, and they can come up to one conclusion what to cook for the meal today, and it can give you suggestions by itself according to your ingredients and all this stuff. So this is how you guys can use it, and I really recommend you guys, if you are not organized at the family, make sure that you hit up this application and it will help you to get organized.